this thing. Let's see what Daddy bought. But I think it's. Yeah, Benito. You bless Nigeria. Kita Benito dog. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to this channel. Welcome to this vlog. So my husband is coming back today. I'm so excited. I want to make fried rice, just small fried rice, like maybe 2 cups or 1.5. I just want to make fresh food. We have jollof rice in the fridge, and we also have soup. When he feels like eating, it's up to him. So yeah, I just want to quickly do this and then fry granite. I think I have granite here. I think my husband bought granite before he traveled. Gary is coming, and of course I will drink Gary. I love drinking Gary. It's been more than 2 months now that I drank Gary, so Gary is coming. I'm so excited. Abacha is coming as well, so let me just get to it and stop talking. Yeah, so let me start doing the needful. Let me go and get my tripod, because my husband will be landing in the next, now it's 10:46. He'll be landing in the next 2 hours plus, or 3 hours or thereabout. Yeah, I think 3 hours, in the next 3 hours. So this is gizzard.
I'm reaching 24. Dreams in disarray. All my friends have flown while I battle dismay. Once we left till dawn, now they're chasing their stars while I'm drowning in waves of faded memoirs. Birthday candles flicker, but the wishes feel thin. Measuring the silence when my dreams fell within. Thought I'd soar by now, but I'm grounded by doubt. In this crowded room, I feel left out. Oh, why does it sting, this ache in my chest? Each year I grow older, but I'm feeling less blessed. I'm the ghost in the gallery where laughter once rang. All my heart's gone heavy. Tells a tale that's concealed. Flourish while I linger in the past. Clutching fading dreams that slipped away too fast. Birthday wishes fading like leaves in the breeze. Every smile hollow, joy just a taste. I used to have plans, but they slipped through my hands. Now I'm longing for solace, a place where hope stands. Oh, why does it sting, this ache in my chest? Each year I grow older, but I'm feeling.
So I am done cooking the meat and rice, and then I cut carrot and cabbage. So yeah, so I'll see you soon.
Dreams I still crave to the roads yet untraveled.
You're really happy because the channel. Oh yeah, I need scissors. Oh, which one? Yeah, scissors. There's something I will give you. Daddy brought udara.
For me?
Yes, I will give you. I want to see.
It's my
Hey,
favorite.
I'll change the china color, but I think it's okay. Let me wash one. But the color, the natural color, when it's ripe, is what am I saying? Orange. I got me saga. Oh, okay. I don't channel on that one.
That's what Leo eats.
Yeah, call it in the channel. I'll do this one.
Oh.
So I'll give you. I'll wait for Daddy to come out. So, Leo.
Not good.
Always on time. You can't do no wrong. Look how much I hear 20 times.
Then now it's not. Oh.
Eh,
Not good.
this one is not good.
That's really good.
Watch it with me. Watch it with me. So you
oh, guess what?
I can't laugh. You got 8.
Joey, Joey, Joey. What's that thing for? Daddy.
Do I look like that? I look like that. Really? Really? Oh yeah. So see how the very heavy. Get this way, boom here. Corner, you see, I must can see where spread.
Just move the video first.
Let's go back to the already sir. Body here, the bed. Oh go on. Can you see now by when? Wow! It's not a straight up that does it.
Mommy, come take and see. Take.
What was the flash?
Oh, no,
You kitchen.
what the moon? Somebody I go from China. Company import and export to Zimbabwe.
I may wonder. Jollof rice spice. Oh, my jollof rice spice here. If you can see your time. Come on, leave my time, but what made you have fried rice spice? Pepper soup spice. Relaxer. To talk as a busy olive oil relaxer. I'm going to use in a video form.
I'm from Milton Farm.
Yes, where this is that expensive. You think they were so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, 5 try. Come on. Yeah. Kaima. Edge control. Oh, edge control. Edge control. No more. Can do olive oil. Okay, Kaima. And no TV. What? Ah, I'm gala.
I don't know.
Really? Yeah. What's a gala that has? You're going to get a lay at it. You're going to book 200.
Ask not 2 or 3, 250.
250, yeah. So, but I can go out for 250. Good day, yeah. Good
I'm
day.
going to have money. Yeah, it's me at 500.
Hey.
We'll go. Mbase mama.
You go there. Obi abuwa.
Iye njuwe me
Give me.
ebuga ka mu na.
Is this?
Emma na.
Yeah. Cousin.
So.
Hey, they crayfish. Shock up, uncle.
O se lo ogiri bi egwu. Ogiri egwu ni esi.
Akede. Vitamin C. Come and take. You like it?
Yes, but this is not my own. This is Dundle's own. The one is color of fruits.
Oh, the one the one so busy. The one. Cocoyam. That's why they are gonna be here. You are my soulmate. Oh, no, poor baby. And we're being a casa. Maybe the restaurant very soon. Ah, there, my dear. Oh, 1,000. Wow. Then the crayfish. That was up. What were we? Oh, that's such a picture of me. Yeah. Oh, thank you very much. It's not dry tea.
Dry tea will be Chinese. No, you Hannah there.
That's good, Daddy. Papa.
No.
Food right here.
Yeah.
dried. Hey, wait, and I walk Boloko. Yeah, I ain't wearing no foot Boloko, no fast. Yeah, you know. So, no come as. As while I have to. Okoya didn't ban to hold this. Yeah, never did my kids. Well, that's no quadro. Where with the child? Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, oh, no, Payaji. Oh, me. You Pamo. What are you not saying? Ah, Garia, Maka. Oh, you know, na young booze. You said the whole cup tower. Yeah, but for me, you're blessed Nigeria guitar with Linda. Let me see where. Can I see what?
Can I have a picture?
And I'm about summer. You want Papa? Mandi go Lego, Mandi put the label there and go see. Okay, maybe. Taste first, okay? I'll give Dundun too.
You can taste, okay? Small.
Just lick it.
Don't swallow it.
I don't like it.
Eat it.
Why don't you like it? Me and Karen. Dundun, try it first. Wait, I'll give you another one. One cup, one. I talk about it. Dundun, tell.
Yeah.
Hey. Them
Water.
Is it good? It's good. Okay, what make Alice? Oh yeah. Money ya bodala. Ah, don't do me with me. Don't worry, that's okay. Yeah, try this one. I'm mentioning them. This is good. Mom no.
Measuring the silence where my dreams fell with
I just finished eating Nigerian gala. There's literally nothing inside. It smells like Nigerian gala, but this is too small, too strong, and I heard it's $250 now. So supermarket sells 500, but that's not the problem. The problem is the gala is not gala anymore. Like almost. I will need to go to supermarket to buy big ziplocs and arrange it very well, and then look for a container and pack the abacha. The abacha is a lot, and then I'll dry this fish. We have stock fish here, there, and then I just want to like tidy this place, keep things in order. And we also have cliche here. All these things are cliche, so I'll look for a way to store it because this is gonna take for us. Oh my God, excuse me. Oh, I'm so excited. There is ogili, there is obey. That thing is dried fish as well. So we have a lot of dried fish. So excited! Maggie. And that thing is akidi. Okpa. I'll look for something and pour it. And Gary that I've been waiting. Yeah? Oh yeah, step up. So yeah, that's basically it. Oh yes. Ah, I'm so excited. Benite. Yeah, Benite. Say Benite. Say Benite. Benite. Say Kunie. Say Kunie Bafu. Kunie Bawa. Say Kunie. Dundun. Say no. Say Kunie. Dundun. Say Kunie. Binie. Say stand up.